guys, what we're gonna do here today is we're gonna change out the brushes on this Kubota. So first off, you're gonna have to start out with a 10 millimeter. All right, this is your access panel for your brushes. This is one of 2 access panels. All right, first access panel is done. All right, the next part, we're going right here. We're gonna need an extension. $8 millimeter. Don't worry guys, the screw will come out. The screws in here will come out when you put your case down. This is your second access panel. Okay. Now, all right everybody, before I get off in here deeper, here's your brushes. They're right behind this wire loom. So you will have to cut. You don't want to cut these wires. You'll untie here. You'll have to cut this zip tie, get it out of your way. Okay, and then we'll be into the brushes. Go back to your 10. What we're doing here is we're taking off the wiring harness for the voltage regulator. It grounds through your wiring harness that goes through your brushes, grounds through your regulator. So you see, that's got to come out of your way. Boom, there's your brushes. There's your whole brush setup. All right, you need a field tip for this next section. All right, now you need to take a little bit of a note. If you know that you mount here, right? Your ground is on your right hand side. Your positive is on your left hand side from your mount. Don't get it confused and have it twisted that way. All right, guys, we're out. Your new one come out of the box, it's going to look exactly how your old one came out. Other than that set's going to be worn in. These are, when you're talking about brushes, these are your brushes. These contact your stator. And when they contact on the inside on the rotor, these wear. So you'll have to pull them out, check for excessive wear, and if you have excessive wear and they're not touching, they're spring loaded. So when you put them in, they might be compressed this far, but as they wear out, more of it's going to come out, okay? When you run out of down, that's it. Time for some new ones. So we're giving y'all the situation of, if you need new ones, here you go. Like I said earlier, it's on the left, you're positive, and if you really get confused, there y'all go, it's right up under your tab screws. Positive, negative. Okay, there you go. We're wired back in. Now for reinstall. When you reinstall it, you'll feel the brushes give as you press them down. They'll give away just a hair. That way you can get everything lined up. They have to apply a constant pressure. Otherwise, they don't do their job. The reason why you wanted that zip tie pulled out of the way, that way you can get in here and it's a little easier on you. All right, back to your 10mm. All right, reinstall your stator ground. Make sure your bushing's in the right place. And boom. Go back to your 8mm. Now go back to your 10. And that's it, everybody. That's all it is to change the brushes out on a Kubota.